In a world of endless possibilities, where dreams come true and fortunes are made, one man embarked on an extraordinary journey that would change his life forever. Meet John Anderson, an ordinary man with an extraordinary vision. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet. I knew there had to be a better way. With a burning desire for success, John attended a life-changing real estate seminar. Shot of John taking notes and engaging with the speaker. Real estate is the key to financial freedom. It's a proven path to wealth and success. Inspired by the speaker's words, John dove headfirst into the world of real estate. Property after property, deal after deal, John's wealth and influence in the real estate industry skyrocketed. Soon, he was living the life he had always dreamed of. I started from nothing, but with perseverance and the right knowledge, I made millions in real estate. John Anderson's story is a testament to the power of ambition, determination, and seizing opportunities. Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Contact John Anderson today and unlock your own path to financial freedom. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and valuable insights into the world of real estate.